Hi, in today's session, we are going to learn and understand about economic and non economic activities. These economic and non economic activities are divided from human activities. Now, what do you mean by human activities? That everyone knows it, that human activities are those activities which are undertaken by human being either to earn money or for rendering the social service or any activity undertaken for their pleasure are called as human activities. But as we know, human activities are further divided into economic and non-economic activities. Economic activities are those activities which are undertaken with the object of earning profit or income is called as economic activities. Examples that business. A person will engage in doing a business that may be manufacturing, trading, distribution of goods with the object of earning profit. Or a doctor, lawyer, teacher, or any professional services rendered will charge their professional fees are also the examples of economic activities. And apart from these, there are certain people who work with others under the terms and conditions of employment in return to earn the salary. All these are the examples of economic activities. All these economic activities are earned with the object of earning profit not only for their livelihood but also to satisfy their needs, wants. If they are satisfied with the basic living, then they need not work hard or they need not earn the huge amount of money and create wealth. But as our human wants are unlimited, in order to satisfy all these, the generally human beings will involve in economic activities. Now coming to the non-economic activities. So non-economic activities are those activities which are undertaken by human beings in order for the self satisfaction but not for profits or with an economic motive. In this are examples maybe charity, cooking by mother in our home, etc. Now if you look at the slides of certain examples of pictures in the slide is like the construction workers, they are rendering or they are working for earning money and exchanging goods for cash or vehicle, and farming related activities in order to earn money, mining related activities. These all are the examples of economic activities that we can see in this slide. Then the examples of non-economic activities. The house, in a house the housemaker or a mother cooking food for their family members, where their motto is not to earn money but to render the service for their family members. Similarly, we play the games for our own pleasure or for others' pleasure sometimes, and religious activities, uh, taking part and uh, participating in social activities or charity activities, or planting certain trees for the welfare of society or for a greenery. These all are the examples of non-economic activities. Now, coming to the basic difference between economic activities and non-economic activities. Meaning, as we already discussed, economic activities are those activities which are undertaken to earn the money or to earn the profits. Now, non meaning of non-economic activities are those activities which are undertaken not for earning money or not with an economic motive but with um, personal satisfaction or uh, social service or social services satisfaction for the society satisfaction. Coming to the purpose, the purpose of economic activities is to earn the profit, and the purpose of non-economic activities is to render the social services or for their own satisfaction or their other satisfaction. Coming to the scope of economic activities. When you look at the scope of economic activities, in the scope, there may be two or three people involved in the economic activities. Say, example, uh, producer and consumer, or in certain in case of employment, employer, employee, or certain agency who will be in between the employer and employee. So three people, these are the scope of economic activities. Now, coming to the scope of non-economic activities, this may be among the members of social, religious persons. Now, coming to the satisfaction of economic activities. The satisfaction is for our own satisfaction or to satisfy our needs. We render economic activities. Now, non economic activities are sometimes for our own pleasure or for others' pleasure, we or for others' satisfaction, we render non economic activities. Now, coming to the other basic difference between economic and non economic activities is money worth or measurement. Economic activities are always measured in terms of money or money's worth. When it comes to the non economic activities, these are not rendered for money or money's worth, for the self satisfaction or for social pleasure or for own pleasure. Coming to the type of economic activities. When you look at the type of economic activities, these activities are related to the business, industry, trade. These are the types of activities which are involved in economic activities. When it comes to the types of non-economic activities are social gatherings, religious gatherings, etc. Examples, we already discussed the examples of economic and non-economic activities. Examples, once again we will uh, give the example, learn the examples, or recap the examples of economic activities are uh, doing a business, or um working as an employee in an organization. And in non-economic activities, um, rendering social service, or planting a trees, or um, human any other activities which are done for their own pleasure. These are the basic difference between economic and non-economic activities. So in today's session we have learned about the meaning of human activities and meaning of economic and non-economic activities, examples of economic and non-economic activities, difference between economic and non-economic activities. Thank you.